welcome back to our channel. And for today's video I am at the Baga Creek that you can see right behind me. So it is sunset time and this is the Baga Creek. Here there is a lovely restaurant right there called 𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐃 if you take a walk, and this is absolutely gorgeous. You have all of these boats that are just docked here, and that is actually St. Anthony's. I'll be taking you that side and showing you, but for now it looks pretty crowded. But this side of the creek is absolutely brilliant. It's so quiet and calm, and the sky is beautiful. So let's go that side and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'll be taking you from the parking, and there is some eatery as well there, so I'll show you that as well, and I'll show you what's open on the beach and what is the current status like. So let's go. So this is the eatery place that I was talking about. This is located right by the beach. I'll just show you. The parking is exactly opposite. So that is the main entrance to Baga, and this is the parking this side. So let me take a quick walk and show you what's open and what's not. And to be quite honest, it is completely packed by tourists from what I've seen. So all of your shopping place and everything is open, as you can see. These places that sell all of these glasses and your clothes and everything. So let me take you inside and show you what it looks like. So you see these bikes are parked here, and there's no place actually for parking, so which means that this place is jam-packed. It's quite crowded, and this is not exactly season for tourists, but I think everyone is so deprived of traveling and vacationing and staying locked up indoors. Everyone is just out now. And in fact, for the month of August, the kind of tourism and the crowds that are here is insane. It's absolutely insane. Because normally, otherwise, if it was not for the pandemic, you wouldn't find this much of a crowd, in the month of August. Wow, check this out. The beach is beautiful though, and the sunset as well. So this right here is St. Anthony's, and that is Brito's, and then as you keep going, walking along, you find a lot of other shacks as well. Let me just walk along and show you. So this will give you an idea as to what is happening like on the beach. And this side, the sunset is gorgeous. Check out the color that is in the sky. There are thousands of people. I think right from Kalangut until here, I think a few lakh people would be there easily. So this place is lit. You have people sitting by the shacks outside. Wow, so much of crowd. So all you need to have, if at all you are coming to Goa, is an RT-PCR negative certificate and nothing else really. So I keep getting a lot of comments from people asking me as to what is it that you need, you know, when you are traveling to Goa. So you just need an RT-PCR negative certificate, and it really doesn't matter if you've taken 1 or 2 doses, but you know, of your vaccination, you need to have your negative certificate available with you. That is mandatory. Check this out. It's insane. So that's it from here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, and do like, share and subscribe and help our channel grow. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.